Go.
Hi, everyone. So the project that we decided to make for the GT Emory Hackathon for mental health is OmniTherapy, a multifaceted VR experience. The members of this project include me, Suas Boncour.
Me, John Catrone, Archie Goli, Katya Yu.
Me, Mithun Sabash, and Sarang Arun.
So let's dive into the VR elements of this project. So the targeted demographic of OmniTherapy include individuals who are long-term rehabilitation individuals who are not capable of major movements. The purpose of this product, OmniTherapy, is to engage them and give them access to a creative platform that also utilizes minor physiological benefits through low-impact movements. According to a study done by cognitive researchers, depressive scores in these long-term rehabilitation individuals were generally higher than in control patients. And that is the main driver of why we decided to target this demographic, because in many medical devices and medical products, they're not often included in their studies and assessed when you're thinking about the feasibility of these products. And this target demographic ties directly with mental health in order to prevent them feeling hospital restricted thinking in these patients.
In order to build this product, we'll be using Unity VR, which provides scalable and high-quality graphics. Unity utilizes C#, which is a general-purpose language that enables high performance. We will also be utilizing GitHub for version control and possible open-source contributions later. To optimize the user experience, we'll be creating entertainment-style experiences in a game format to make the VR more engaging. Studies conducted have shown that there are positive results when physical and mental therapy are combined. Therefore, we believe users will have better results with our game-like VR. All of this will help create an immersive environment in which mental therapy gets enhanced with micro games that incorporate physical therapy activities. Here you can see an example environment for the coding. The first step would be to create a room, and we can use the files on the bottom left to drag and drop assets into the room. We can transform the objects to look exactly how we want them to, and we can also try out the game by running it. There are several managers on the top left that allow us to deal with different parts of the game, like the inputs and the camera. For example, we can drag light sources around the environment to ensure that the scene looks good from every angle. Now we're moving on to the physical therapy elements.
Some of the main hardware components that we want to incorporate are a headset that uses a stereoscopic display, stereo sound, accelerometers, and gyroscopes. In addition, we want to utilize haptic gloves, which have pressure sensors and force sensors, or McKibben muscles, which are inflatable latex gloves covered in braided fibers, which help simulate specific touch sensations. In addition, we want to include surround sound audio systems to make it in a more immersive environment.
So the particular physical therapy movements that we want to involve in this product include a lot of hand movements as of right now. So for example, with palm stretching activities, we're able to use a haptic glove in order to move the individual in the VR environment, but also move the wrist in real life. And another body part that we would like to discuss is shoulder movements, which are physical therapy options and movements that depend on the individual and how restricted and how much they want to use their arm and shoulder in these activities. And so contrary to contemporary VR consoles and machines, we want to make the omnipresent VR machine a little more targeted towards long-term rehabilitation individuals. And this might be including a smaller environment or limited mobile or stationary VR consoles.
And finally, we have practicality and relevance to health. Some of the practicality that we have is virtual reality technology is user-friendly and decreasing potential barriers. The ease of use, it's readily accessible with a low cost to produce, and it would mainly target rehabilitation centers across the country and be integrated into EMR systems. Relevance, it supports patients to maintain positive mindsets without feeling hospitalized. It promotes general well-being through lower stress levels and encourages patients to seek out further rehabilitation and prevents emotions of anxiety, restriction, and frustration. These are sources of reference. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.